welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Wace. I'm super excited because I've got the latest 12.9 inch iPad Pro. This is the 5th generation, and yes, this is the M1 iPad Pro, so it's super fast. So this is the actual size of the iPad, so that's how big it is. Not even an inch smaller than the MacBook Air. Let me flip this around. So here I've got the 128 GB iPad. It's just the Wi-Fi model. I've got a tab here. So in the box you got a little hole there, that's where the camera sits. You've got a booklet, you've got the wall adapter and the USB-C cable. You get the manual, tells you how to use the iPad if you've never used an iPad before. You've got some terms, condition and warranty information, and then of course you've got the Apple white stickers. This is super slim, feels incredible. Always excited to open and unbox an Apple product. Doesn't matter, even if they look the same as they did last year. Wow. Okay, that looks absolutely stunning. It looks incredible. Yeah, before I power it on, I mean, look at this. The screen already has my fingerprint. You get a smile every time you look at an iPad. So let's quickly set this up. So here it is. You got the widgets on the left, you got the home screen. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing. And look how fast it is. The refresh rate is amazing on here. Right, so we got the unboxing out of the way, and let's talk about the internals of this beast. It's absolutely stunning. The iPad has the same M1 chip as the new MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro. It has a 12 megapixel wide camera, a 10 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a LiDAR scanner. 12 megapixel front facing camera with a 122 degrees field of view for a new feature called the center stage. With the LiDAR scanner, you're able to experience 3D objects in real time, creates a depth map of any space you're in, and unlocks immersive AR experience. Has 4-speaker audio that delivers cinema-like sound and supports Dolby Atmos. The iPad Pro 12.9 inch has the Liquid Retina XDR display, it's 5G enabled, and of course super fun to view all your pictures on this massive display. You can pick one up for just £749. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.